Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draft Sleeper Fantasy Football. Whether you are a rookie or a seasoned fantasy player, we'll show you everything you need to know for a successful draft. Let's get started. So, Sleeper is one of the top platforms for fantasy football. Known for its user-friendly interface and robust features, it's a favorite among fantasy players, and if you're new to Sleeper, you're in the right place. First, make sure you have the app downloaded and create an account if you haven't already. Before you draft, you need to either create a new league or join an existing one. If you are the league manager, you can customize your league settings like draft type, roster positions, and a scoring format. Sleeper offers both a snake and auction drafts, so choose the option your league prefers. Now, in order to join a league, first of all, navigate to Sleeper Fantasy and click on the play icon at the top right side of the screen. Now choose your game and click on Create League. After this, give your league a name, click on Next. You can either copy existing league or create new league from scratch. So click on Next, and here you'll have to choose your league type. Then choose the league size, click on Next, and in this section, you'll have to choose the draft type. So we'll choose the draft type as a snake because it is the standard. Now click on Done. And as you can see, I just created this league where I can easily draft. Once your league is set up, it's time to prepare. Enter the draft room to get familiar with the layout. So I will navigate to Team, scroll down, and I will see my draft picks here. So enter the draft room to get familiar with the layout. You will see player rankings, ADP, that is average draft position, and news updates. Make a list of players you want to target and consider Sleeper's pre-draft rankings as a helpful guide. One of the best tools in Sleeper is Draft Queue. To queue a player, simply tap on their name and select Add to Queue. And this will keep your top picks in one place so you're ready when it's your turn. The queue also helps you stay organized if the draft moves quickly. When the draft day arrives, the league manager will start the draft and it's game time. The draft follows the format you selected earlier, either a snake draft where picks alternate or an auction where you bid for players. Keep an eye on the clock as each pickup has a time limit. When it's your turn, select a player by tapping their profile, and you can view his stats, past performance, injury status, and more. So use this information to decide your pick, and remember, balance is the key. Try to build a roster with a mix of top running backs, wide receivers, and a reliable quarterback. Once the draft is done, review your roster to see if you need to make adjustment because Sleeper allows post-draft trades and free agent pickups so you can continue improving your team. And that's how you can draft on Sleeper Fantasy Football. With these tips and features, you'll be ready to tackle the season and compete for the championship. So, if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a like. Thanks for watching and good luck this season.